Here I have TECNO Spark 10C, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Power Boost. So just by tapping on it, this kind of menu appears. Here you can enable Power Boost, which is basically just a power saving mode. You can also adjust optional optimization items, like you can reduce screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, enable dark theme, turn off Wi-Fi automatically if not connected, turn off location services. You can also enable Power Boost reminder. You can set it to turn off automatically, turn on automatically at a specific battery level, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when device charges up to 75%. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.